Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to do small caps in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document with some uppercase text. Now I make it to small caps. At first I have to select this text. Then go to type option and find change case option. Now you can see here are lowercase option. Now I simply just click on it. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I do small caps in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for